Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make spinach jollof or healthy spinach rice. Yes, this recipe is truly amazing. I really want to show you, so in this Christmas you can prepare this at home. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all you need water. So I just put my pot on the stove and I'm going to be adding baby spinach. You can add any amount that you want. And after that, use medium heat and cover and have it boil for just 2 minutes. On this side, I'm cutting some fresh ginger, pepper, onion and garlic, and we're going to use that later. Okay friends, so now I have another pot on the stove and I'm using Akono pure coconut oil. This coconut oil is so amazing, and you know how much I love coconut oil. So if you are interested, you can get some, and I will link her information under the description box below. So after you add the coconut oil, add some diced onion and have it cook until it browns up. Next, go ahead and add blended ginger and garlic and stir until it is well. Everything looks so good, and then leave it on for about 6 minutes. So on this part, our spinach is ready, as you can tell. So just go ahead and take it out from the stove and go and strain all the water out, because we're going to use the water to cook the rice. And also make sure that you blend your spinach into a smooth consistency. On this side also, I have here spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce. You can use fresh tomato or you can use tin tomato as well, depending on your preference. So I added some here, and make sure that you stir very well. So after that, you can go ahead and add all your favorite seasonings. So I have my bay leaf, I'm adding curry powder, and you can add also cayenne pepper or paprika. But if you don't have that, that's absolutely fine. You can add any spices of your preference. And I add just a salt, and also I'm adding here tuna or mackerel, or can add any fish. And also I have my chicken sausage, but if you don't have it, this is an optional. It's after you add everything, go ahead and stir and leave it to cook for extra 5 minutes. So as you can tell, I'm using here mandi basmati rice. I'm using about 3 cups, and you can use any rice of your favorite. Okay, so I'm using here basmati rice because it is so nice and it's so delicious, and it doesn't contain a lot of starch. So after you wash it, go ahead and add it into your stew like you're making jollof rice. And after you add that, don't add any water. And this is the perfect time to add your spinach. So as you can tell, it is blended into a very smooth and nice consistency, and that is it. So just go ahead and rinse your blender with just half cup of water and then add it into your rice. So at this point, you have to simmer your fire. So if you're using a medium heat, make sure that you turn it into a low heat and have it seated in there. So look at this rice, it looks so nice. So if you have kids and they don't really like vegetables, this is another alternative that you can cook rice, and then they will love it because they cannot tell the difference. So after about 30 minutes, this is how the rice looks. So amazing. And just go ahead and stir them up. Came out so perfect, came out singles. That's how I like my rice, so fluffy and very delicious. So as simple as this rice is, go ahead and dish it out, and add any salad of your preference, or you can add shito, you can add extra stew, just like that. Everything looks so amazing, nutritious and very, very delicious. So as you can tell, I'm done, and I have here some fried tilapia that it's gonna go with it. Yeah, so friends, this is how I make the quickest and easiest spinach jollof or spinach rice. So I hope you will try this recipe and leave me some comments in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. If you truly enjoyed this video, don't forget to share among your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a blessed day.